All right, so imagine this. You or one of your clients is doing a 4K live video production, and let's just say you're using 4K PTZ cameras. You need a camera that can go somewhere where a full-size PTZ camera or another type of camera can't go. Maybe it's going to be on a microphone stand, or it's going to be tucked in a corner somewhere, or perhaps you're on a budget and you don't need your camera to pan, tilt, and zoom. You just need a black camera that can get a static shot. So what's out there? Meet the Datavideo BC15P. The BC15P is a 4K POV camera. As you can see, it's in a compact size. It has mounting points on 3 sides of the camera, making it really easy to set up just about anywhere. And this entire video is shot with the BC15, my hosting right here, and all of our B-roll, because we think it's a great camera. So why not? It has a built-in streaming encoder. It has an HDMI output, 4K at up to 60 frames per second with really low latency, so it's perfect for a live video production with iMag. It is PoE powered, and it has a 3.5mm audio jack for bringing in external audio. And lastly, the Datavideo BC15 also has built-in tally lights. It comes with 2 lenses. The first is the eSport lens, or wide lens, which I'm filming with right now. And the second is this standard lens, which is more of a neutral angle. So right now I'm 4 feet away from the camera. And in this side-by-side comparison, you can get an idea of the coverage you'll be able to get with the Datavideo BC15. The wide angle can get coverage of an entire room, and the standard lens has about a 2 times optical zoom. Great for live production, great for putting just about anywhere. To learn more about the Datavideo BC15, we have links in the description below, and you can go to datavideo.com. Follow us on all of our social media to keep up to date with everything coming out from Datavideo, and of course for more videos, subscribe to us here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.